Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Spotify status not showing on Discord. So this area is searched on the internet as Discord not showing Spotify status or Discord Spotify not showing. In this video, I'll show you three different solutions to resolve this issue with Discord not showing Spotify status. So the first solution is to disconnect and reconnect your Spotify account to Discord. You can do this by opening Discord. Next, tap on settings at the bottom left and then tap on connection with the left hand side. Here on the right hand side, you should see Spotify. Press X and disconnect your Spotify account with Discord account. Go ahead and confirm it one more time. Now close Discord and restart it. Then go back to settings, connections, and then click on the Spotify icon to relink your Spotify account. Log in using your Spotify account. Once it's connected, make sure to enable these options, display on your profile and display Spotify as your status. Now check and see if this has resolved your issue or not. If not, then move on to the next step. The second method is to get Spotify status to show on your profile is to disable display current activity as a status message settings. So this is because the display current activity as a status message setting might conflict with the Spotify status. So let me show you how to do this. First open up your Discord app. Next find your profile at the bottom left and tap on settings. Now on the left hand side, look for activity settings and then click on activity privacy. Once you are on activity settings, you will see this option, display current activity as a status message. Turn this option off. Once you disable the setting, try playing a song on Spotify, then check your profile for listening to Spotify status. Now check if this has resolved your issue or not. If not, then move on the third step. In the third step, you need to uninstall the Discord application from your PC or Mac. Once you do that, go ahead and re-download it back from the official website and then try it again. Hopefully by following these steps I've mentioned on this video, you will be able to resolve your issue with Discord not showing Spotify status. If this video was helpful, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.